Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare avial, one of the best South Indian dish. Ingredients for avial: 150 grams of white pumpkin, 150 grams of yellow pumpkin, 150 grams of yam, 200 grams of ash gourd, 1 plantain, 150 grams of flat beans, 100 grams of brinjal, 200 grams of snake gourd, 200 grams of sweet potato, 1 carrot, 1 potato, coconut around 100 grams, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 2 teaspoon, little curry leaves, coconut oil and required salt. See, we cut all the vegetables into more or less same size of pieces. In this one it is sweet potato, ash gourd, yellow pumpkin, white pumpkin, yam and carrot. And this one is flat beans, snake gourd, potato, brinjal and plantain. So total 11 different vegetables we are using in this avial. It's very good for health. It's very healthy also. If you are having once in a month also, it's very good. Keep pan, switch on the flame and add sufficient water to cook the vegetables. Going to add one by one. Going to add the turmeric powder, required salt. Now the water is boiling, so we're going to add all the vegetables. Potato, brinjal, plantain, snake gourd, flat beans, white pumpkin, yellow pumpkin, carrot, yam, ash gourd, sweet potato, all the vegetables we added in this pan. So we're going to boil this one. We're going to lid this one now. So lid it and leave it for approximately for 5 to 10 minutes. Grate that one. So we have added the black pepper, then grated coconut, so we're going to grind this one. So we have to grind like this: the grated coconut, black pepper. So we're going to take this one now. 10 minutes. So we have opened after 10 minutes. So it's already cooked. Everything is, all the vegetables are cooked. We're going to add the grinded coconut with this. You can add salt if required. Salt to taste. So this is very healthy because it consists of only vegetables. You will get everything. So we're going to switch off the flame. So everything is well cooked now. Finally we've added the grinded paste. So we're going to do the tempering for this. Tempering is only curry leaves in coconut oil. That's the main thing. You have to use coconut oil. Don't use any other oil. Coconut oil is best. So we are transferring to the bowl. Keep the pan in flame. Add coconut oil. See, after tempering, if you want, you can add curd, mix the curd with this one and you can have also. So we used to do that sometimes. That also very tasty. But this time we're not going to add any curd with this. Only this one. So for tempering, curry leaves. That's it. Finished. The delicious avial is ready. Avial from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.